What's up, everybody? Coming to you from the beautiful Big Bend National Park. Today is March 5th, and we are returning from our trip. We're on the homeward bound side of it. A couple weeks ago, Wyatt and I decided to head out here for a little bit of a photography trip while it was still cool, and before it got too crowded with spring breakers, and then of course before summer hit. And so this is Wyatt.
Hello.
But so we headed out at 11:30ish.
Yeah, 11:30.
And started our hike, which was, we went the Laguna Meadows way, so we swang around Laguna Meadows. We're getting up there. Stopped at Laguna Meadows where we met a guy named Mike from Austin. He's actually, like most people in Austin, a recent transplant from New Jersey, and
can't fault him for it.
It's not his fault. Since he was hiking alone, we invited him to kind of hike along with us. After eating lunch there, we kept going around and stopped at the South Rim. Well, we made it. We're here at South Rim. It's pretty incredible here. I am pretty beat. 6.5 miles, mostly uphill to get here. And then, so we'll probably camp out here for the next couple hours to watch sunset, cook dinner here, and then make our way in. It's still another about, I would guess, 1.5 miles to the campsite. But we set up camp in the dark last night. Probably shouldn't be a problem tonight. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to, well, to one, not be hiking anymore, but then two, is just to eat some food and watch sunset. Alright, sunset's starting now. Temperature's starting to drop. Really, if you're coming out here for South Rim, you should see it at sunset. So what'd you think about it, being your first trip out for sunset?
It was epic. You hike out 8 miles, it's definitely tough, but it's definitely worth it once you basically get to the top of this thing that looked like Pride Rock from The Lion King.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow.
It was nuts. Definitely, if you like photography, I would do it. Just bring plenty of water and plenty of toilet paper. Major key.
That's some sage advice. With the last maybe 15 minutes of light, we packed up and headed out to come to our site for last night, and at which point it got dark pretty fast. And we hiked down to where the trail split, and Mike headed off to go to his campsite.
It was a pleasure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Meet you, dude.
You too.
Have a safe rest of your hike.
Yep.
Once we hit camp, we were dead tired from the day.
Oh, I love you.
Oh, sweet baby. So we crashed pretty quick. We're just gonna pitch tent, go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, but then tomorrow's a lot of downhill. As much as today was uphill, tomorrow's gonna be downhill, so we have that to look forward to. So we woke up this morning and packed up camp. It's funny, I heard Wyatt rustling around. I was like, are you like up? And he's like, yup. I was like, cool, let's get the fuck out of here. And so we packed up and we started heading out, and where our site hits the trail, you head left to leave, and Wyatt decides to take a little detour to the right. And I'm glad he did, because then we saw sunrise, and with, I think, all the moisture that we've had, we kind of had these low sitting clouds. So that was actually really great stuff to shoot. From here on out, it's all downhill. And we're back. We just made it to the visitor center. It took us 3.5 hours to get back. And so we'll chuck our stuff in the bear boxes and then kind of get everything ready and then head out. Now we're done. Now the hiking is done. All right, so end of another successful trip to Big Bend. We've got like a 6.5, 7 hour drive back. And so if you want to see the rest of the pictures that we took while we were out there, you can follow me on Instagram at Rogers with a D. And of course, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up on the bottom. Comment with some of your favorite hikes that you've done at national parks. We might check those out next.
Yeah.
And subscribe to see some future videos like this. We're gonna hit the road.
Yeah. Got a long one to go.
See y'all. Gotta brush my teeth.